Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna see how to use the IR remote control with Arduino and how to decode it, the Arduino program for it, and how to control our room light using this remote. Let's start. All we need is Arduino, IR remote, IR receiver, small breadboard, and some wires. Later on I'm going to use my DIY relay module for controlling the light. Now for the wiring process, it's so simple. We connect the receiver to the Arduino. The right leg is the VCC, which 5 volts from the Arduino. The middle pin goes to ground, and the left pin is the output signal and go for pin 11 on the Arduino board. Here our first code. First we add the ER remote library. Then in this line here we define the pin where we are connecting the receiver. In our case is pin number 11 on the Arduino board. And here ER receive is the name I'm going to use, and receive pin we already defined it in the line before. And here for decoding the result. In setup section, first line is for starting the serial monitor, and second line for starting the receiver. In loop section, here for executing the result and showing it on the serial monitor, so we can see the code or the value for each key pressed. And in this line here is for continue receiving the next values. Now let's upload it to the Arduino and see the result. Now let's test it. As we can see on the serial monitor, the value for each key. Everything works well. If you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This will help me a lot. Now let's go. Here is my next circuit. I want to control this lamp using IR remote with Arduino. Here I add this relay module so I can control this 220 volt AC lamp. On the side of the Arduino, the receiver is connected as before, and I connect my DIY relay module signal on pin number 8 on the Arduino board, and the 5 volt and ground from the Arduino. If you want to know how to make a relay module, check it out on my channel, and I will leave the link in the description for it. Here my next code. Here I add this 2 line. I choose the plus and minus key on the remote to control the light. The plus is for turning on the light, and the minus key is for turning off the light. And here the value for each key. And setup part, I define the pin number 8 as an output. This for controlling the relay module I'm going to use. And in loop section, here if light on is pressed or the plus key on the remote, this will turn on my relay module, and which will turn on my light, and if light off is pressed, which means the minus key from the remote. This will turn off the relay module, which will turn off the light. And now let's upload it to the Arduino. Now let's check it out. Here I'm connecting my Arduino to the laptop so I can upload the code for it. And as you can see, now the relay module is powered up from the Arduino. And now I'm connecting the LAN to the power source, and let's try it. As you can see, when I press the plus key on the remote, the light will turn on, and when I press the minus key on the remote, the light turn off. I will use this remote in a lot of my future projects and videos, so stay tuned.